What is up, guys? Hey, now we're gonna help you guys set up your domain. This is one of the cool things about Clickfunnels is they actually give you a free domain right inside, like when you sign up with your account. So you don't have to worry about that, and everything is integrated right inside Clickfunnels. So that's what I absolutely love. And so I'm gonna be using a friend's account, actually a client's account, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up a domain. First, I'm going to go over here to domains, and you guys are going to come here. If you guys don't have anything set up, you guys are going to see this page, and I'm going to add my own brand, my own little domain. And domain, this is up here, so you guys don't have the little ClickFunnels stuff, right? So if you already have, you guys can watch these videos that show you how to do it, or you can just watch this one. If you guys already have a domain, you could go right here that you already want to use, or you get a free one when you register inside Clickfunnels. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I like to go to GoDaddy first and search up a domain that I'm going to be using. This domain we are going to be using just for a client, so it's really not what you guys are going to be probably setting it up for. But here's where you guys are going to be entering in your domain. I'm going to be showing you guys just with this. Make sure I spelt it right. Wellness giveaway, get. Perfect. All right, so this is going to be my domain. You guys make sure to get your whatever domain you have. And yep, so I'm going to use my free domain. Normally I think it's like 20 bucks from ClickFunnels, so it's not too bad. So I'm going to use this free domain, and then it says success. It will be popping up in just a few seconds, I am sure. Once you guys get your domain set up, once you claim your domain, mine should be popping up any second. There you go. Okay, so now we got to actually verify it, and then we got to add the SSL. So those are kind of our two little things: is verifying it and then adding the SSL. And so we're going to go down here. We are going to, which is pretty much what they say, is set the pages and then add the SSL. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to put this on, this one's for a giveaway, and so I'm going to be using this for a giveaway. You guys are going to be using it for yours. However, this is what I'll be using mine. So you're going to point it to the funnel that it actually, for the 408 and the default, the 4004 and the default page. This is just so if anyone types in like some other part of your domain, but it doesn't fully, like, you don't have a page set up for that, it forwards to these pages. This is domain forwarding. We're not going to need that. And then the last thing is the SSL. And so this says we're still working on it. Check now. Sometimes this takes a few minutes, sometimes it takes pretty much instantly. So let's check where we're at. Boom. All right, so like we are literally set up. So look, that's how fast it should take you guys. And you guys can see I'm going to click right here on the website, and then I'm just going to go to my website. Magic, yay. All right, and so that is how you guys set up a custom domain. Hopefully that helped. Cool, talk to you soon. Thank you.